In this class, I'll show you how to best manage and maintain your classroom kits of VR equipment. One of the things we do in the Fab Lab to help manage our equipment is to give our devices names. You can do this quickly and easily with something like a labelling machine, like this one here. We found that it helps give a sense of ownership to students when they're using our devices, and less stuff goes missing. It also helps to keep certain groups of equipment together more easily. For example, VR headsets with their respective controllers. When using VR equipment, you'll need to complete a new risk assessment taking into account the risks of the devices. The main things to consider here are: 1. You can't see people and things when you have a headset on. For that reason, you need to make sure that each student is sat down and at least 2 arm lengths apart from others. If other students are going to be moving around, use a clear and designated area for your VR that only one person can be in at a time. Also, make sure that students are aware of the Guardian feature and that this has been activated. 2. Hygiene. Headsets and hand controllers are designed to be personal devices, so make sure you have proper cleaning and disinfection procedures in place for every device after use. You could alternatively consider quarantining your devices for a period of time. Make sure you check with your health and safety lead around what's most appropriate. Over time, you may find that the straps on the headsets and the ones here on the hand controllers will get dirty. You can wash these with soap and cold water, or leave them to soak in water with some washing powder. With VR, you'll find that it's harder to explain what students have to do when they're wearing a headset because you can't see their screen. However, with Oculus Quest 2s, you can stream what you're seeing to your phone or a tablet with the Oculus app, or to a web browser, which means that as a teacher, you can have a better idea about what your students are up to. When explaining how to carry out tasks in VR to students, you might want to screen record yourself in advance or take screenshots so students can visualise what you're up to more easily. With classroom kits comes the need to manage and maintain larger amounts of equipment in one go. It can be quite a time-consuming task, so if you have technicians, mentors or classroom assistants within your department, this might be a task you could assign to them in advance. You may even want to set up an online booking system to allow other teachers to reserve the equipment. Check out our class on automated workflow tools under Internet of Things for some quick and easy ways on how to do this. To make your life easier, you'll probably also need to buy some things like extension leads or USB multi-port chargers in the case of mobile phones, as well as possibly a large case with some wheels to keep everything together in one place, as well as for easy transportation. For the Oculus hand controllers, these need AAs. It would be wise to get some packs of rechargeable batteries and a battery charger for these as well. As Fab Lab is a makerspace, we've enjoyed designing and cutting out our own custom device trolleys using our CNC machines, which have allowed us to build custom solutions at a fraction of the cost. If you've enjoyed this course, check out our module on augmented reality, where you can learn how to bring 3D models and holograms into the classroom with a tablet or mobile phone.